Okay, for styling all the way, Christmas styling all the way, I decided to style my coffee table. I chose a rustic style coffee table, particularly because still have my glass tables that I had in my living room in my last house. I put those upstairs in the game room. Why? I don't know, guys, but I just did. But I kind of am really digging this rustic look, this rustic vibe. So I have this table that I purchased from NFM, which is here in Frisco, Texas, outside of Dallas. And so I really like this table. So what I decided to, and the reason why, let me just go back and say this. The reason why I chose this table is because I have grandkids that are here, and I'm always paranoid about the glass because they have, they have toys, and I like things to look nice, but they also have to be functional and child friendly. And I just really love this particular table. So with that said, I am styling my rustic coffee table. So here I have some Christmas fir that I purchased, believe it or not, from Walmart. The pine cones in the bowl, I had those from last year. I spray painted some white to give it like a snow-covered look. Now I have like a little wreath of cones, pine cones, and I'm going to say I got that last year from Home Goods. So I put a little LED candle there. The candle that looks like an ornament, the silver candle, I got that from Target, and it smells good. I really do like that. So I'm going to light that as the video proceeds. And then the ornaments are some clusters that I just pulled out and added, for a pop of color. Now, the tabletop Christmas trees, guys, I have a lot of those. I don't have them all displayed this year. In the past, I used to display a lot of them, but now I'm trying to be more intentional about where I put them, for color schemes and, just maybe where I put them, because when you have Christmas decor that you've had for a while, you kind of want to just kind of be more intentional about where you put them because you kind of get tired of looking at them. So I thought that was perfect here. Then underneath my coffee table, I have some pine fir, Christmas pine fir, some coffee table books, but I'm also including some film here of my credenza or console where I have some Christmas decor, my mantle, the fireplace, and my Christmas tree. I really do hope you like how I have styled my coffee table. If so, please give me a big thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Now, that bowl in the center, I got that from the at-home store. I really love that. But I really am liking this rustic Christmas decor just for a change of pace, just to kind of move away from the glam a little bit. Because I think the rustic vibe is really, I'm really digging that now. It's really nice. I really love it. So you guys have an amazing day. I appreciate you watching my video. And again, if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And until the next one, bye-bye.